Hi guys. The question here says, a person traveling on a straight line moves with a uniform velocity v1 for a distance x and with a uniform velocity v2 for the next equal distance. The average velocity v is given by. Now to calculate the answer, we'll use the formula that average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. The displacement during the first and the second interval are equal and will be equal to x each. So the total displacement is 2x. The time during the first interval will be x by v1 and during the second interval will be x by v2. Now we'll substitute these values to get 2 by v equals 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2, which is our answer. That is option C. Now there is a point that we need to note here. The question says that x is the distance, whereas we have taken x as the displacement. This comes from the assumption that the distances were covered in the same direction. In the case that the first distance x was covered in one direction and the second distance x was covered in the opposite direction, we'll see that they will cancel out and the average velocity will actually be 0 since the total displacement will be 0. So keeping this point in mind, the answer will be option C.